How can I mute a specific contact's messages on WhatsApp?
Hello, WhatsApp users. Ever felt like you need a break from a specific contact's messages but don't want to block them? Today, we're going to learn about a handy feature on WhatsApp that allows you to mute a particular contact's messages. This tutorial is straightforward and can be done in a few simple steps. Remember, this doesn't block the contact, it just mutes their messages.
What does muting a contact mean?
Muting a contact on WhatsApp means you'll stop receiving notifications for their messages. The messages will still arrive and you can read them whenever you want, but your phone won't buzz or ring every time this specific contact sends you a message. It's a great feature if you want to avoid constant notifications but still keep the conversation history.
How to mute a contact on WhatsApp?
Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. Step 2. Find the chat of the contact you want to mute. Step 3. Tap on the chat to open it. Step 4. Once you're in the chat, tap on the contact's name at the top to view contact info. Step 5. In the contact info section, you'll find the Mute Notifications option. Step 6. Tap on Mute Notifications. You will be presented with 3 options: 8 hours, 1 week, and always. Choose the one that suits your needs best. Step 7. Finally, hit OK to confirm. And there you have it, you've muted the contact.
How to unmute a contact on WhatsApp?
In case you've changed your mind and want to unmute a contact, follow these steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. Step 2. Find the chat of the contact you want to unmute. Step 3. Tap on the chat to open it. Step 4. Tap on the contact's name at the top to view contact info. Step 5. In the contact info section, you'll find the Mute Notifications option highlighted. Step 6. Tap on Mute Notifications, and then tap on Unmute Notifications. Voila! You have successfully unmuted the contact. Now that you know how to mute and unmute a contact's messages on WhatsApp, you can manage your conversations better and ensure a more peaceful experience when using the app. Remember, this feature gives you control over your messaging without having to block a contact. Hope this guide was helpful, and happy messaging!